Mr. John Bonegas, Tristan Maricia, Regional Qualifier, Nathaniel Mahilo, Duchess Kate Banaban, Marian Montol, Erali Regala, John Jacob Cuenca, Palarong Pambansa Qualifier, Prince J. Agoyno, Shelalea Lulor, International Competitors, Dwayne Chadra Espinosa, 4th place, Julian Ford de Treza, 3rd place, and with their coach, 3rd place, Alex Hamero II, and with their tournament director, Cedric Lee A. Carmelo. A round of applause, please. Moving forward, let us listen to the statement of purpose and a message to be delivered to us by our Division Sports Officer, Mr. Ray C. Collado. A round of applause, please.
Daghang salamat. Again, good morning sa atong tanan. Our coming here today with this conduct of the refresher course and sports for technical officials and coaches, and including the solidarity meeting, is armed with our division memorandum number 606 series of 2025, and we are guided with these objectives for the next 3 days rather. First is to update our participants on the latest rules, regulations, guidelines governing the different sports discipline. Equip our sports officials and coaches with proper knowledge and skills in handling competitions. Third, promote fair play, discipline,